Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to stop emails from going to spam in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and open up Gmail. And then once done, we have the search bar right here. Go ahead and click on the sliders that says show search options. Just click on it and let's go ahead and create a filter. Okay. So go ahead and type down the sender's email address or domain. For example, we have here ChatGPT. Here in the from field, then click create filter at the bottom besides search. Okay. Wait for it to load. And once that's done, go ahead and check the box for never send it to spam right here. All right. But once that's done, go ahead and click on create filter. There you go. And after that, move the emails out of the spam folder. Go and go to spam right here. Right click on the email. For example, for ChatGPT, select not spam right here. It'll be landed under your inbox. Okay. Now, if you want to create a universal never send to spam filter, okay, for all of the companies emailing you, okay, and it will never reach this spam section, here's what you would need to do. Again, search options. Now, in this section has the words, okay, go ahead and click on the text box. Go ahead and type down has, user labels. Okay, so everything that got user labels, just like this one, will be accepted in the inbox. Once that's done, go ahead and click on create filter. And then never send it to spam. Right? Create. And just to make sure, add in another one, and under from, go ahead and type down asterisk. Create a filter. Okay. Never send to spam. Create. And you're good to go. That's how you stop emails from going to spam in Gmail. If this video helps, I'll see you in the next one.